Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can use assets from your Google Drive when you're creating content on Simplified. So first, to connect your Google Drive account, you're going to want to come to this settings icon on the upper right-hand side of your screen, then come to connected apps. Here you can see I already have my Google Drive and my WordPress connected, but if I want to add a new connection, I simply use this button here and then select Google Drive. Now I'm going to show you the different places where you can use your Google Drive assets. So first, let's begin on an AI document. I've already used the AI writer to help me create an entire marketing strategy for me, but I want to add my company logo. So I'm going to come to this media library icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then I'm going to come to Photos. From here, I'm going to use this drop-down and then select the Google Drive option. You will then have access to all the media in your Google Drive folder. This is my logo right here, so I'm going to simply select it. And now it's added to my document. If I were designing on an artboard and I wanted to include media from my Google Drive, I would come to this media icon on the left-hand side, follow those same steps of using the drop-down and then selecting Google Drive, selecting my element, and now you can see I have my asset added to my artboard. I'm going to quickly remove the background of this. And voila! In just a few seconds, I was able to add an asset from my Google Drive right to the content that I was creating on Simplified. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified can help you in your business every step of the way. See you there.